Okay, what's going on here? Really? Learn how to park, dumb.
Il en peut parler fort quand il en dit ça.
Moi?
Non, moi.
On t'a dit quoi?
Pourquoi?
Oh putain. Oh! Oh!
Off your phone. Oh! What the? Who ran the red light? She did.
She ran a red light.
Does when you're going down a hill and you try to control your speed. What the f is this idiot doing? Stupid. Come on, go. Go!
They don't lag and take the entire day, you know. Bro, are you serious? My goodness.
So apparently this kid couldn't have been more than 20-something years old, 25 at the oldest. Must have been out drinking and carrying on, and decided to make a lot of stupid decisions, and wound up at the front of my truck, making a very, very bad decision. As you can see, it did not work out for him. So apparently he's going to be okay. At least that's what I heard from the paramedics after they left. But this is the consequence of making bad decisions. The cops said that both I and the driver of that pickup was lucky.
Yeah, I called. I'm waiting. I called. I'm waiting.
Alright. You got damage in your car?
Yeah, man. It's all thanks to you. I appreciate it. I appreciate hitting my car, bro.
Check it out, check it out.
No, I don't want to look at it. It's fine. I don't want to look at it. It's fine. I don't want to look at it. I don't want to look at it. No, I already looked at it. I saw it. I looked at yours. I looked at mine. I see you hit me. I got it on camera. I already know you hit me.
You hit me too. I was saying you hit
No,
me.
you hit me. You drove right into me. I have it on camera. You drove directly into me. I have it on camera. You drove directly into me.
When we were right in
And right in front of you, and you drove directly into me.
next to you. Why are you so stupid? Why the f would you do that?